Meet the team of Suite3399, a multi-chain Web3 startup focused on metaverse real estate. Our first co-founder hails from Texas, Corey Hoffpower, a landscape architect by profession. He has created campus planning projects, mixed-use developments, golf course communities, and resort developments in his 35-year career. Corey has designed golf resorts in California, Aruba, and the famous Liberty on the Lake. His work has taken him to 6 continents, which has greatly added to his portfolio in the tourism and real estate development industry. Next, we have Lennox Brown Jr., MBA from the island of St. Vincent. He has played a key role in launching digital and blockchain-based products. Lennox is a knowledgeable strategist and has over 15 years of business development experience. After attending the Antler NYC Accelerator, he focuses on digital currency and blockchain. In 2019, he led the implementation of the digital payment platform BitPay for a globally recognized basketball training company, 9450 Basketball. Next, we have Bukhari Jenkins, MBA based in DC. Bukhari is the lead blockchain developer and acting CTO. He led the team in its successful Ethereum-based gaming token launch in 2020. Utilizing his keen understanding of protocols and blockchain product integration, he listed the Ethereum-backed token on Uniswap. He has an applied mathematics degree from Howard University. He has also been to the investment committees of the Antler NYC Accelerator and the First Launch Accelerator. In 2022, he led the team in listing its NFT on the marketplace OpenSea.com.